Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Viana's Beauty, and if you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related, but once in a while I bring like whitey tips because I'm a YouTuber and I'm passionate about seeing other YouTubers going on whitey journey. Yeah, I'm a small YouTuber. I'm not a big YouTuber yet, yes, but I'm getting there. I'm a small YouTuber who spends a lot of time experimenting, reading a lot of things about YouTube, and whenever I find out something, I like to bring it up to you guys. So today I'll be talking about the best time when to publish a video, or when to go live, or when to set a premiere. For those who have been following my videos, you will know that I three quarter of the times I premiere my videos instead of like just posting them. Okay, so if you want to schedule a video as well, this is very important for you. I will not just be talking in the thin air, but I'll actually take you into my analytics. You might just gain yourself one knowledge on how to read your analytics. So YT has a feature where the analyze your channel, the see when most of your viewers are on YT, and advise you to publish in those areas. I've been experimenting on this now for 2 weeks, and guys, I can tell you I have experienced a massive difference in my channel when it comes to like doing my live streaming. I've tried to follow the times and they are so accurate. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know that I'm mostly do my premieres in the mornings. I mostly schedule my premieres in the mornings, and YT tells me that this don't work out for me. I will show you why in a bit when I get into my analytics, but please watch this video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit on the subscription button, because I'll be bringing videos like this, as well as weight loss, as well as anything to make you feel beautiful and confident. Now, without further ado, let's quickly get into the analytics, and I'll just be walking you through everything. Okay, before we get into the analytics, please, I want to emphasize on something. If you are not using Tubebuddy, if you have a computer, please download the Tubebuddy app. I'll leave an affiliate link down. You can download the free version to just try to see how it works. Familiarize yourself to it before you go to the paid version. Okay, I'm using the advanced version, and guys, it is just amazing. You need Tubebuddy. Now, this period I'm telling you of, the best time for you to post your videos, Tubebuddy summarizes it. Okay, because in the analytics you see where it gets very popular. Where it's very popular means that's the best time. That's when most of your viewers are on YouTube, and that's when it's advised for you to publish your video or set your premiere or go live. So when you see that area, Tubebuddy now helps to now generalize it and tell you exactly when you can go live, exactly when you can set premiere your video. And guys, this has worked. You know that for the past weeks I've been going live for about 3 to 4 hours, and exactly when Tubebuddy tells me that I should post at that time, that time is always the peak period where I have my live videos. For those who don't know, I had a live video today, and today is Wednesday. I was supposed to have from where Tubebuddy told me that my subscribers are exactly the time, that was 12 p.m. and around 12 p.m. I had like 26 people on my live. Guys, like, this is magical. I'm talking too much now. Let's get into the analytics. I'll not be coming back. See you. Creators, welcome to my YouTube analytics, and now I'm into the YouTube studio. So here shows you the general performance of your channel. Okay, so you have views, you have watch time in hours, and you have your revenue. Those three components just tell you how your channel is doing, and knowing when to post is very influential for these three components. Now I'm going to go into my analytics, where I'll be showing you some very important things. Please watch till the end to understand the thing. So this is the overview of the channel. You can see I'm having an increase in my views since I started implementing this. I'm about to show you, that's knowing when to post when your audience is online. and all that. My subscribers count is as normal, but my revenue and my views, they have gone up since I started implementing this. So here we see comparison of views by video type. Are there uploads? Are there live streams? Are there premieres? It just shows you how these three things can affect your channel. Okay, so now these are the times where YouTube recommends you to post the most, where you have the how do I call it, like where it's most purple, the color purple. It means that most of your viewers are on live, are on YouTube at that particular time. You see, where it's faded, where it's very light, it means that most of your viewers are not on YT. And I have experimented on all these things, guys, and I can confidently tell you that this do work. So if you have the Tubebuddy extension, I'm yet to do a complete tutorial of Tubebuddy, guys. It helps a lot. If you have a Tubebuddy extension, sign into your YouTube, it summarizes all this and tells you precisely when you can go live or precisely when you can upload a video. Because mind you that you when you go live is different from when the time when you can upload a video. Like on the overview comparison where I showed you the three components that make up your channel, that's the uploads, the live, and the premieres, which is something I'm doing a lot. So now coming on to Monday, I am doing this voiceover on Monday, and I'll be dropping the video on Monday. So if you come there, when my viewers are mostly on LS, it's around 7 p.m 8 p.m, and I have really been experimenting on this. And when I schedule my premiere at 7 p.m, guys, I have a lot of people on that premiere. People can bear me witness. So coming down to the recommendations for uploads for YT, they say on Monday I should upload at 8 p.m, and if you click for the LS, it will give you a different time. So now I've just come into more details so that you can understand. Like in December 2nd 2020, that was the subscribers I had who watched my videos, and those who didn't watch my video, who are not subscribed to my channel. So for that, I'm going to show you like the people who turn on your bell notification, which is also one thing that is very important. If you have to know precisely when to post your videos, people have to be able to get the notification. Okay, so you have to encourage your subscribers to always try to turn on your post notification. That can be seen on the subscriber bell notification. I will later on go into that. But furthermore, if I go into Wednesday, the time YouTube recommends me to either go live or do a premiere is 9 p.m. Very many of your viewers are on YouTube. That's how you know. So if you put the mouse on any of the bars, it will tell you fewer of your subscribers are on YouTube, you know, and all that. So those are the people that are watching my video. And on Saturday, the time too is 8 p.m. Many of your viewers are on YouTube. So you have to get the bar that is most purple. Is it most purple, guys? I don't even know what to say. That the purple is intense. Is that how I should say it? But anyway, you get the idea. You should get the idea, right? You understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so I don't know why there was a delay here, but I had to go to subscriber bell notification on. Now I'm going to take you through the engagement so that you can see how it's important to post a premiere, because there on the premiere you have engagement. So you can see, since I started doing this, you can see that my revenue has increased. That's my estimated revenue, 115 euros 40 cents, and I've really been having a lot of engagement, guys, as you could see when I showed you my engagement. So on December 16, I made 10 euros 64 cents, and basically that's it, guys. This knowing when to post on YT. If you are working on your WH, it increases your watch hour, it increases your revenue, it increases your views, and it as well, it just increases the general performance of your channel. So where am I now? I think I'm still in the revenue aspect, and this is December, guys. Today is the 21st of December, and I've already passed my threshold. I am now at 75 euros. I've passed my threshold. I'm at 75 euros, and in November I made 102 euros 42 cents. I'm not very sure if I'll make up to this amount, because guys, I've been losing my revenue as well. I've been losing my watch hour. Watch hour really determines how much you make. I hope that this video helps somebody out there. Just follow the time. If you have extension, I'm gonna put the link of Tubebuddy in my description box. You can check it out and see. I have an affiliate link with them. And if you have any other questions, you can leave it down on the comment section. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing a lot of these tips on this channel. Anything that I discover, I love to share with you, my subscribers. I love you, and peace.